What's up? It's day 11. I think it's 11. What is today? Today's 12. What's up, guys? It's day 12 of us getting this Volkswagen Beetle completed for SEMA. We're going to get it completed and it's going to actually go to the EMPI open house. We went through, did a sanding on the surface of the car. This is an actual example of the primered fender. There's some little areas in here that we're going to knock out today that's got some minor marks. This is a budget build. We're trying to teach people that if you buy an old Volkswagen, you can actually get this completed. So you just need a little effort, put it down, make it happen. This is a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm learning how to actually do a full restoration in less than 90 days. So if I didn't have a time frame, it'd sit around, but if you're looking to get into a vintage Volkswagen, you can get one of these for a few $1,000s. This thing was sitting around for many years. Someone started on it. It looks bad, but it's not. If you're looking to get a vintage Volkswagen, we're going through all the steps to polish it, put it together, paint it, everything budget-wise and tracking every single penny so you know what it would cost to restore one. This thing may look bad, but in reality, it's got a really good core to it. It's an original 1964. The color on the vehicle was Anthracite Grey. All that stuff on the dash is still how it was. I polished it out to show you what it would look like when it was original. The goal is to teach people how to actually do a restoration, because I don't know what I'm doing. There's a lot of people who can't afford to take it to a shop. So if you want to learn how to do it, give us a follow. It's Jordan60BW. You could subscribe to the channel and let's go make this happen. We're on day 12. We're getting to the EMPI open house, which is their 70th anniversary. If you want to help the channel, I'll put some details below. There's going to be some parts that we're going to need. If you want to help out, you can email me at chris@drivenbw.com. Follow the link below, subscribe, comment. Just tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. Whatever you think is going on. So let's go.